sa ating YouTube channel of Ninong TV. You're live watching from Facebook, YouTube, and also available on Instagram, TikTok, and Google. Just search Ninong TV at meron na rin po tayong bagong page, the NTV Corporation, platform sporting vlogs, including the Ninong TV. So this is another video vlog na ating gagawin for a revival in our Gentleness Revival Specials with your that is continuing the legacy of Mr. Gentleness in making video vlogs for education, fun, entertainment, movie vlogs, sports, and more. Dito lang natin sa ating So ngayon, after a weeks and months na tayo ay gumawa ng revival vlog, that is the Batang City, that is post of part 1 and up to part 2. No? For the next vlog naman na matagawa natin, and of course kasama naman dito yung 2012 Philippine adaptation. So kasama yung sa production as we have a play tribute to them on the slide of John Marcacchio. No? Today is a very special vlog na ating madidiscover dito sa ating Gentleness Revivals dahil ang ninong nyo, and it's me, your Ninong Denver Castro, at ang JM nyo sa mga fans club ni JM sa kanyang JM Believer Team Yale, for the first time Ninong JM will have a collab. Wow, so something interesting to. So ano nga bang collab yan? Kinakabahan ako dito. Anong collab ba ito? The Denver Castros meet up with James Canlas. Oh, and their business vlogs. A special pay tribute on JM. Okay. So sa madaling salita, yung pag-meet up namin through his great edition. Okay, baka lang yun, nakita ko siya na nakabarong na or Americana. What I mean, I saw him in the outfits or dun sa kanya site visit in the Greek. Diba? The opportunity yun to see his idol video vlogger, Jem Catlas. At kababayan ko rin kasi siya from Bacoor, Cavite. So the story begins, I chatted Ma'am Lynn Canlas na ever baka mag-reply saan kaya naihimlay si Idol JM. And then luckily she replied on the chat na siya ay living dun sa Divino. So I visit last December. Okay. So before we presented that slide, syempre konting bitin muna tayo. Okay. As part of our education, dahil sabi nga dito sa ating title is Ninong JM, the Denver Castros meet up with JM. Aside from that, and their business vlogs. Oh. So madidiscover nyo dito yung aming business vlogs or how we do a vlog to educate and to entertain people. Diba? So bakit nga ba namin ito ginagawa? Itong vlog na to give education, entertainment, or ano pa ba? Diba? And to discover how JM do his vlogging legacy. Oh, so para yung ma-discover natin si JM, especially sa ating mga Gen Z, sa ating mga millennial, inabutan man siya o hindi, but we are giving you the education of how to make vlogs or what is the purpose of our business vlog, diba? To our people and economy. So this is the lesson also that forms education, entertainment. We are presenting you how JM and how Ninong Denver do their vlog activity para makapagbigay kami ng education sa mga manonood at sa mga gusto rin mag-try, mag-vlog. Ako, parang JM, magkakakompetensya na tayo nito. Joke lang. So, of course, we are giving you naman the education kung paano mag-vlog. Yun na kaming kakabugin. Alright. So, what's all about my business vlog? Utayin ko muna yung sarili ko, ha? Kasi ninong muna eh. Next, si JM. So, what's all about my vlog business. About the vlog business of your Ninong Denver Castro. So we have the NTV and the Ninong TV. The Ninong TV is a new vlog that I created this year lang, last June 14. It was the first introduction together with the board of members na nagkaroon na tayo ng mga bagong VP or Vice Presidents na mag-handle ng ating Ninong TV. So the NTV or Ninong TV Vlog Corporations, this is the official department program for vlogs made for educational and entertainment purposes, made for the students and researchers. View our latest shows, histories, and the latest vlog entertainment to all generations. So yun po yung Ninong TV or NTV natin is holding a 14 vlog departments inclusion. The Ninong TV, kasama na rin dito yung the Yem Canlas Revival Vlog Special. So the NTV is holding 14 vlog station na nagrepresent sa inyo ng mga education, entertainment for various activity. Can be in education, movies, sports, and anything. The NTV is holding now that kind of department of making video vlogs. At meron naman tayong Ninong TV. Yan. Ninong TV is the first originally created by your Denver Castro, formerly known as the Denver Castro channel in 2018, first made for educational vlog shows. In 2019, it was upgraded into an educational and fun entertainment vlog shows. And in 2020, it was named Ninong TV until in the present years active. It contains religious shows, business, educational, entertainment, histories, and revival programs. Okay, so yun po yung ating NTV at Ninong TV na mga vlogs, business or vlog activity na meron po ang Ninong Denver nyo. So it was 2018 discovered, formerly known as the Denver Castro channel. But in the 2019, it was converted to Ninong TV until in the 2020, dumami or nagkaroon siya ng mga more on technological, yung mga flying object, mga effect, mga boom-boom. So, ayun, nahasa yung ating education of making vlogs. And originally, I discovered making of vlogs because of Yem Canlas. So, later on, I will show you about the slides that we have. Pero for the first episode, what's all about by NTV and then Ninong TV. Check it. And what's up? This is your Denver Ninong Castro, your Denver Ninong Castro once again. Welcome to this video.
I got my baby.
Mall ni Tito Henry. Purpose. Nag-SM.
As long you can provide what they need, what they want, and they will always come back.
Welcome to NTV Corporations, Ninong TV Vlog Corporations. Your educational entertainment vlog depart program. Hello, and I'm Christian, your buddy to guide you on our NTV Corporations that holds 14 vlog departments for your educational and entertainment purposes, made for the students and researchers to view our latest shows, histories, and the latest vlog entertainment to all generations. Come with me and I will tour you to all of our vlog departments from NTV Corporations. Ninong TV. Your educational vlog show and entertainment. The first vlog department that Denver Castro opened on August 17, 2022. It contains religious shows, business shows, and entertainment vlog shows and educational, and also contains games, CSR promoting, and histories. Ninong TV is also showing you the latest and the greatest vlogs, formerly known as the Denver Castro channel in 2018 and 2019. It was upgraded into an educational and fun entertainment vlog shows, and in 2020 up to present it is now called Ninong TV. Educational and entertainment. Business shows, games, and religion shows. Lily Princess Jovi and Kuya partnership, and subsidiary vlog property of Ninong TV. Made for entertainment for kids and for the latest shows. It contains games, educational and entertainment, and some movie vlogs under by Ninong TV and Ninong Flicks, and application vlogs to encourage the children for learning such as cooking games, Lego games and Roblox. Lolo Pong and Mamu's video vlogs. It's a Rise Up projection programs made exclusively for Castro families, shows that contains family activities and programs that Castro families do. It contains movie vlogs and special presentations for entertainment and recreational vlog activities. And to continue the legacy of their grandparents MIS Bell and Cruz Castro and Mr. Arnold Castro Sr., who is already on the Lord's hands. For every time they show as a Rise Up projects. Ninong Flicks. Is an educational and entertainment movie vlog for documentary shows, highlights the real life of all Filipino citizens from past to present. A special movie vlogs made from Ninong TV with partnerships with LCP Films Productions and some productions for an epic movie vlog. Christian's playlist Be an Angel listeners. It contains praise and worship songs to vlog and the gospel lessons of the Lord and Jesus through our pastor, host, and vlog presenters, open to all religions, and a show for Bible studies. Hosted by your Ninong Denver Castro. And this program is also under by Ninong TV. This show was opened in June 30th, 2020. In pandemic days, in order to strengthen our faith and patiences for everyday life in the days of challenges and to promote as one Christianity. Ninong Sa Japan, a show to dedicate to all OFW and non-OFW in Japan to Philippines. A special vlog content to discover Japanese cultures and lifestyle and to connect our OFW for the two counties for good friends and livelihood. It's also an educational and entertainment discovering Japan. For our travel guides and a show going back to Philippines to discover new taste and life from the Philippines. The JM Canlis Revival Vlog Specials is a vlog partnership with Ms. Lean Canlis and the Canlis siblings with Mr. Denver Castro to create and to continue the vlogs of the late JM Canlis, giving you the educational and entertainment that connects the Gen Z and its public viewers. Hosted and operated now by Denver Castro to continue the vlogs of JM in games, movie vlogs, fun, entertainment, and educational shows on this vlog department, and to remember once again JM Canlis on his vlog services that gives educational and entertainment to all generations, that creates vlogs since 2018.
This program is under by Ninong TV, and also by NTV Corporations with the supervision of Canlis families to operate and to make vlogs that JM do for revival shows and programs.
Henry C. the King of Philippine Business is also a revival vlog show and educational and entertainment purposes to learn the businesses of Henry C. Not only the SM Supermalls, but he has 100 plus business and companies nationwide and worldwide. To discover his excellent services to serve the people and its economy. It also contains business lessons and CSR on how we can help and to bless the people and its economy. To discover his business products and services, the action businessman who fights crisis and competitors. SM Video Vlog Specials, a special vlog simulator to discover Henry C's businesses and properties in real life, the real action on how SM Supermalls do their services for the people and its economy, and the live tapings to do by your Ninong Denver Castro to witness his productions and to educate and to entertain in real place and real life. A vlog simulator to educate and to entertain. From Ninong TV and SM Supermalls. And to see the consumer on its prices and products of the business. SMDC Video Vlogs contains a vlog to market the condo homes and house and lot properties of SM Supermalls of Henry C. Another vlog. Content for Henry C. now to be partnership by SMDC with DCC Real Estate to help the people to have a new home and great environment living. It's a half online and simulator VLOG. Experience to give you an educational and entertainment in learning the condo homes and to have a new home. Ak Laptop. Better known as ISO Short Film Cinema, contains PowerPoint vlog presentations that Denver Castro made since 2012, an educational show. short film shows to entertain made with 40 slides to give you educational and entertainment purposes. HP Short Film Cinema. Also same with iPad laptop that contains short films. Through PowerPoint presentations also made in 2012 for research and educational shows and entertainment vlog shows contains 40 creations and the first files and shows made by Denver Castro. The Eddie Garcia Movie Revival Special Tributes Partnership with LCP Films via Ninong TV and Ninong Flicks, creating movie vlog revivals to Mr. Eddie Garcia and to converted on Millennial Gen Z edition for studying life and economy, and to continue his movies. With Jacob Pacia as Eddie Garcia to roll the movie slides. Ninong Sports TV, a vlog partnerships with Coach Renzi Bahar. For a sports vlog in swimming, basketball, boxing, taekwondo, and more. It's also under by Ninong TV and open and created in 2021. Get ready to be amazed, and get ready to be educated and well entertained. Here at NTV Corporations we give you the vlogs that is made for the students and to all researchers in all generation categories. It's a show to give you educational and entertainment purposes for school and work and serving our people and its economy and to support our Philippine pride through vlogging, making a to support our Philippine pride for educational and entertainment and to support our people and its economy through vlogging. NTV Corporations. Your educational entertainment vlog department program. Quality vlogs to all students and researchers. Thank you for watching and God bless all of us, and subscribe NTV.
you've just discovered my NTV Corporations. NTV is having a porting vlog department, no? We have the Ninong TV, no? Dumadami na rin po ang mga vlogs activity ng Ninong nyo, kaya nagtalaga na ako ng aking mga makakasama. On my Ninong TV, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, i-check up nyo doon yung aking post na Ninong TV Career Talks. Please watch that and you will discover our new board of directors na tutulong at mag-handle ng ating Ninong TV para tayo'y kumalat pa so that they can help me. Siyempre, 100 plus to. Parang Henry sila. Kailangan ko ng mga kamay. Diba? So something like that. They are the people who is willing to work and willing to perform, and someday ang Ninong TV kasi natin, dinidream natin someday maging TV network. Alam ko napakamarami pang bigas na kakainin yan, pero today, di ba, nagpa-practice na ang NTV on how to develop more or how to make more shows, quality vlogs to all the students and researchers. Okay, for the next episode, eto na po. What's all about Game Canlas video vlogs. So, for 3 years you are watching him, aside from Team A, from any variety of movie or vlog or anything. Sa mga nakasubscribe sa kanya noon, nung araw, nung na-activate pa yung YouTube channel niya, kasi sadly to announce, yung kanyang YouTube channel also is closed, permanent closed, at hindi na mahanap. Maybe, isa sa kanyang habili noon bago siya magbabay ay i-cut off na yung page niya. But somehow, some of his fans, diba, malaki din nakapag-download or nakapag-share ng mga document or video niya, diba? And inclusion your Ninong TV also have some of the same files ni JM. And today, eto na nga, magkakaroon ulit tayo ng pag-alala sa kanyang mga vlog legacy. What's all about Game Canlas Video Vlog Group is YouTube channel. It is founded in 2018. The Game Canlas Video channel contains vlogs for games, entertainment, educational, movie, vlog, and sports vlog. The late chairman and creator of this vlog channel is Game Canlas, and also holds by his Canlas siblings, Jerome and Elijah, and his mother, Miss Lynn Canlas. This channel is now permanently closed after Game died, but one content creator from Ninong TV is now continuing his vlog legacy and approved by Ma'am Lynn Canlas. And it's Mr. Denver Castro, ako yun. His fanboy and kababayan from Bacoor, Cavite. Okay. So yun po, sa mga noon, yung mga nanonood ng kanyang channel, kasama na rin ako dyan. Ang isa sa mga pinaka-favorite vlog ko sa kanya, yung 10 things to do when you're bored. Talagang napaka-ulit, action, very creative, very informative yung mga lesson niya doon. Paano maglinis, pag boring ka, diba? Kaya I created the first episode of this revival vlog, yung 10 things to do when you're bored. So doon galing yung idea na yun. And then when I created my first vlog that comes more on technological, yung bigating business loading mo, some of that slides, some of my collect moment, diba? Galing kay Jeff. So I study of that slide on how to make good show. Diba? So, ayun. For this second episode, I will present it to you is the Game Canlas videos, how he created video, how he gave us education, entertainment, and any variety of the world. Check out.
May or may not know about me. So, ang unang fact ay, my full name is Jamal Matthew M. Canlas. So, M stands for Maniklu. It's my mother's surname. And now it's her middle name. Is my parents are married? Duh. So, second fact, Jamal is actually from a black American dancer, as per my surname. It's from a black
witness Jim Canlas videos on how we created. Wow, nakakamiss, no? So, feeling natin may YouTube channel pa rin siya at pwede pa rin natin siya mag-view. But anyway, kahit wala na yung kanyang original YouTube channel dito po sa aking Ninong TV, you can view my vlogs on JM, the Revival Vlog Special that contains episode yung sa Batang Sining, sa 10 Things to Do, inclusion itong Ninong Jim and some of the variety project. I announced it last 1 year na pala, no? Last August on my trailer of this program na gagawa tayo ng mga revival vlog shows na ginawa noon ni Jay. And somehow, some of that hindi na natin makikita sa YouTube niya or sa kahit anong page niya. Dahil yun po ay kanyang ibinilin sa kanyang family or his brothers bago siya magbabay. But anyway, Ninong TV is working and from the approval of Mang Lim na i-continue natin yung kanyang vlog legacy. Okay. For the next episode, ito na nga ang pinaka-hinihintay natin lahat. Ang pag-meet ng ninong nyo at ni Jen in the Great Edition style. Mangyayari na po ang aming first meet and for through the years I'm wishing to see him kasi taga-Bacoor siya and taga-Bacoor din ako, so every time in Christmas vacation, work vacation, I'm always visiting my country. I'm still finding him nung nabubuhay pa siya. Eto na siya. Pwede na makita anytime. Okay? So, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang aming beat up. The JM and beat up.
You sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm.
This is the day that one fanboy from Bacoor Cavite meet HIS idol vlogger celebrity.
Set me free, set me free. The finest years I ever knew. I had with you, and I would give anything
First time to meet JM Canlas. Here in on Denver,
life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again. I would give anything I give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything.
The meetup of JM Canlas and Denver, Castro and Bacoor Cavite. 6,000 ways to make things happen. And this is EAT.
I would give anything I own. Give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again, just to touch you once again. I would give anything I own. Give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again, just to touch you once again.
What's up to all of you? And I'm your Ninong. Kasama ko na ang ating legendary Jim Canlas, video vlogger. I met him for many years ago. And I'm very happy also. Nakita ko na rin siya in the Fox edition. So Ninong become a vlogger because of Jim Canlas. I admire of making vlogs of education, entertainment, and of course, to give us fun and learning shows sa YouTube niya. Dito sa Bacoor, Cavite, in Divino Memorial. Nag-tour kami ni Daddy at sinamahan niya ako. Ayan si Daddy. Nung binata si Daddy, kamukhang kampare ni Jem Canlas to. Lalo na yung naka-t-shirt na stripe sa motor. Kaya kinuha ko yung picture ni Daddy that time. So, to my idol Jem, thank you because I watch your show and I very admire of your show. And it's so good, education, entertainment. I always watch you in TV and some of the variety in the YouTube. I become vlogger in 20. Thank you because I watch your show and I very admire of your show. And it's so good, education, entertainment. I always watch you in TV and some of the variety in the YouTube. I become vlogger in 2018 also, where I discover you. And in 2019, I created the first vlog that I have is mga bigating Filipino business law mo from the creation yon ng kanyang 10 things to do when you go. So I'm very happy and special shout out once again and thank you to Ma'am Lynn Canlas, na Canlas siblings and family. Salamat po na ako po ay na-meet ko si Jem Canlas for this moment. Thank you, thank you. Okay, thank you for watching. Kita nyo nga naman, napakasaya ng Ninong Denver nyo because I saw Jem Canlas na kahit ngayon pa man nakakahon na siya, I still feel the warm welcome. I touch him. Hindi literal na siya, ha? Yung kahon. Okay. Of course na, yung pangalan. Actually, nandun din yung lola niya sa taas. And dati pa lang balita ko, nasa second floor siya. Pero ngayon, nasa first floor na siya on the block 15 of the cremation stand. Parang nilibing na nakapit. So, nasa second floor and nasa babang-baba yung pinaka-pwesto niya last time. I saw her girlfriend pa nga, sa post, bumisita. And then, dun sa pagkabisita namin, nakaala ko, my goodness, nawala. Yun pala, inilipat nila. Okay. Nagtago-taguan pa kami ni Jay, my goodness. That time, I'm finding him eh. Akala ko kasi sa second floor. And then, kinonfirm namin sa guard, sa OIC, it's only now placed on the other side, sa ground floor ng Divino. And then, sa block 15 section yun eh, parang mga ano yun eh, para silang mga naka-condo style, parang SMBC. Oo nga, naka-condo style yung parang building nila doon. So, diretso nun, pasok nun, nandun na si Jay. So, buti naman nakita ko siya eh. That's good na rin kasi if I will do a sitting down, Indian sitting eh, naninigas yung buto ko. On my age, hindi ko na kaya mag-Indian sitting ng matagal. So, standing na lang much better para mamanap yung aking things. Okay, so that is a happy thing that I saw JM. And it's also a feel best na rin kasi syempre, kita ko si Idol kahit paano. Iyon man yung kanyang kalagayan, but we just respect and happy na lang na we see, di ba? At least, tagal-tagal ko ng panahon na gusto ko siya makita. I'm planning to have a vlog collab with him someday. Noong panahon na I'm working on my Ninong TV and watching his shows, how to vlog, how to move, and then yung una niyang pre-nomotes noon is yung Kid Master. I also do that way. And yung pinaka-exciting part pa noon is yung nabati niya ako, last 2018. Napanood nyo naman siya on my last present episode, no? Yung aking how to play badminton. So that is the official shout out of Jem to me. Diba? Nakakatuwa. Nabati ako. Actually, nagkaroon pa siya ng isang bati. That's 2022. Nagla-live show siya noon para i-promote yung movie ng kuya niya, ni Kuya Elijah Canlas, the Game Boy ba yun? Oo, parang gano'n. So I chatted him for another shout out. Yun nga lang pang business yung tanong ko sa kanya. Eh, nung time na yun, nag-joke sa akin, Kuya, it's not yet school time pa. Kasi sabi ko how business works. Nasa vlog. Eh, nung time na yun, nung joke na yun pala, eh, sayang hindi ko na-save. Kasi ang purpose ko nun, i-save ko lang is yung masasabi niya about sa business. But I don't expect na. Diba, yun na pala yung huling bonding or huling moment niya sa akin. Kasi, bababay. But anyway, I'm trying to find that video kaso hindi ko na siya mahanap. Kasi nga, some of the blood properties of Jen is now cut off and deleted. Alinsunod din sa request niya, siguro habilin niya yun bago siya mawala. Okay, so for the last slide, but not the least. Siyempre, kung meron kami mga vlog activity, meron din CSR. How the NTV and the Gentleman's vlog with CSR. Yes. Kailangan natin mag-feel blessed as we feel blessed from the Lord in Jesus. I-bless din natin yung mga higit na nangangailangan to help the economy, to give education, to give food, or to give service to all of the people na nangangailangan. So, the next episode is the CSR of Ninong and Jacob on their business plans activities. Check it out.
magagagas kayo. Magpapasapasahan lang natin yung isang pie as the music plays. Pero kapag nag-stop na yung music, stop din yung pag-ikot ng pie, syempre. At kung kanino shoutout out. Narinig ba ako guys? Type yan sa chat ko narinig. Wala akong skill pa niya eh. Yes. Yung mga masakit yun pag marunong ka. Yes, expert na ako guys. Pautik na ako sa buong mundo ko.
Okay, thank you for watching and God bless all of us. At dito po nagtatapos ang ating programa, Ninong JM. Denver Castro's Meet Up with Jem Canlas and the Discuss Vlogs, a special paid tribute on JM. So this is another episode of the Jem Canlas Bible Vlog Specials, created and presented by Ninong TV through NTV Corporation. So maraming salamat po sa ating mga educators, lalo back to school na next week at this week. Nagpe-prepare ng ating mga parents ng mga baon, bag. So, isama nyo itong vlog namin so that you can have education, how to vlog, how to help people, and how to make people educated and entertained. Diba? So, isama nyo po kami sa inyong journey, mga students. Special shout out sa ating mga back to school students, and avail this vlog for only 150 pesos and 80 pesos for screen recorder. Depende lang ako kung paano. Okay? Hindi naman ako magsisend dyan kagaya ng iba. I will reply all of you. May sabi ni Jim sa akin, first time that I chatted on his page. Diba? So, hindi ako kagaya ng crush mo na sinisin ka. I will reply you ASAP. Diba? So, if you will chat me regarding sa vlog, feel free and I will assist you on how to avail, how to buy, and to download. Thank you po and mabuhay to all of you, and thank you for watching. See you again for my another video vlog.